Hello everyone, my name is Ali Hyder Bhatti and I am a UAV integration engineer in II Solutions, a UAE based aerotech company. I qualify as an electrical engineer with more than 5 years of experience in defense and aviation industry. Currently, I am engaged with avionics integration of sophisticated medium-range unmanned aerial vehicles. Being a cosmo-astronomics enthusiast, I always had interest in joining aviation industry and exploring more about space. Being a Pakistani, it is an honor for me to be working in globally diverse culture here at United Arab Emirates, sparking interest in engaging with all the cultures of the world. I'm really excited to be making an appearance on SpaceVrse. Hope to see you soon at SpaceVrse. Thank you.